Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Lip Monthly unboxing for November. They always come in super cute little bags. This one has umbrellas and rain clouds. Very cute. And this is only $10 a month, so you get pretty much for $10. So the first product I'm pulling out is from Mirabella. Color Vinyl Lipstick. Oh, that's cool packaging. And that's actually a really nice shade that I would wear. I tend to wear a lot of darker colors, I guess, but not like pinks necessarily. So a neutral, brown, that's what I like. Another super cute packaging. Jelly Pong Pong. Let me go ahead and open this. So this is their lip butter, and the packaging has all these little balloons over it. Very cute. And another really nice shade. Looks nice and glossy. I'm excited for that. Ooh, let me take a look what these packets are. South Main Lip Gels. Softens, moisturizes, and plumps lips. And there's 3 of those. That's pretty awesome. You just apply it, leave it on for 10 minutes to soften and moisturize. Very cool. We also have our little card. This month it says they curated a lineup of products that will help keep you shining bright. And the last item is by Jersey Shore Cosmetics, Star Mint Glossy Balm. I really do like simple balms like that as well, so that's really cool. So for $10 a month, I got a bag. I got 3 of these lip gels, I got a balm, and I got a lip butter and a lipstick. So very good deal. If you guys are interested, I will have all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.